Hello everyone, I am Saurabh from Code Clips and today we are going to learn selection sort algorithm. In selection sort algorithm, what we have to do is find the minimum element in an array and place it in the beginning. Then again find the minimum element in a sub array and again place it after that beginning element. And so on, we will get the sorted array. We will see one of the example explained on Wikipedia. Here we go. We have given an array over here. In this array, which is unsorted, we will find the minimum element, which is 11. So we have 11 over here. Now we will find the minimum in the sub array, which is 12. Now it is here. Then we will find it in remaining part over here, 22. Then again this remaining part, which is 25 here, and the last element as it is. So in total we did 1 2 3 4 iterations. So we have to find the minimum in this part, then this part, then this part, and then this part, and then we are done. So we will do the implementation in Python for this algorithm. So I'm considering that you know Python language very well. Okay, so first of all we will create a function selection sort, and we will pass an array to it. Now we will loop through each element. We're gonna need a for loop for that first. So let's create a for I in range length of that array which is ARR. Now, so what this part will do is, here the length of the array is, in this case it's 5. Length is 5. So the array will loop from 0 to 4. Then now what we will do is, we will first consider the minimum element is, minimum index is min index equals to I. Min index in the sense the minimum element is at index I. So we will be looping from this, and this. On each index we have to place a sorted element, the minimum element. On the first, this will the minimum of all of them. Then at this index, the minimum of all of this will be here. At this index, the minimum of all of this will be there. So that's why we need this for loop, first for loop. Now we will use another for loop, j in range I plus 1 comma length of ARR, which is array. Now in this, using this loop, we will find the minimum element. Now how we gonna do that? We will add a if condition. If ARR of that min underscore index is greater than ARR of j. So if ARR of min underscore index is greater than ARR of j, then what we have to do is min underscore index will be jth. You got it? Let's see over here. So the first in the first iteration I is equals to 0. Okay, so we are considering I is equals to 0 as a min index. Now we will go to another second for loop. In the second for loop, we will iterate from here. J will be 1 and it will go from 1 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so J will be 8 here. J will be 1 and the array of J, ARR of J will be 8. So while comparing this, ARR of min underscore index, is it greater than ARR of J? So is 5 greater than 8? No. Then it won't go here. Then again it will check for this one. Now J will be 2. So ARR of J, ARR of 2 will be 3. So is 3 greater than 5? Sorry, is 5 greater than 3? Yes, it is. Then min underscore index will be 3. And so on, we will go till here. So in this complete array, min underscore index will be 4 in the first iteration. So here what we will do is, we will swap. How we will swap? A of I, comma, sorry, it's not A, it's ARR, comma, ARR of min underscore inde index equals to ARR of min underscore index, comma, ARR of J. Sorry, ARR of I. So this way it will swap, and in the end we will return the array. So this is our function. Now let's try to run that. Sort of ARR, and we got that sorted array. To find, to check how is this exactly working, we have to print something like array here, and then print after swapping. So okay, it's already sorted. Okay, so we can see this step. This is the first time the array it's like that, and after swapping we got the list element which was 1 in the beginning, and the remaining array is like this. Now in the remaining array here again we will find the minimum, which will be 3, and we will place it over here. Then again we will find the minimum over here, which will be 5, and place it over here. Find minimum in this and place it, which is 8, over here. Find minimum in this and place it again over here, which will be at its own place, and we got the sorted array. So what is the time complexity of this array? Complexity of this algorithm will be O(n) square, because there are 2 for loops, and whenever there are 2 nested for loops, the time complexity will be n squared. This is because of the reason the calculations for the first for loop, this one will be n, and then this one will be n. So n into n is n square. So here is the time complexity. So hit like, subscribe if you like this video, And I'm gonna add more videos related to sorting algorithms, and I will be doing some live sessions of LeetCode as well. So stay connected and subscribe.